Hi there, all you Xero users. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick overview on how you could manage your contacts within Xero. For those of you who have used Xero for a number of years will have noticed that there's been a change in the user interface. So, things don't necessarily look the way they used to look when you started using Xero for the first time. I want to just quickly, show you a few things, a few tips and tricks that you might find useful. Of course, you can type in anything, a few letters, and as you type, the algorithm in Xero would start to guess which contact you're looking for, just to keep the list short and manageable. So that's one of the ways in which you can move from one contact to the other. You could, if you pick on a client, you should basically see what you used to see before. This is what the interface used to look like before, and if you want to make any changes, you could simply go and click on the edit button, and you can then see what changes you want to make. This again looks different to the way it used to look like before, and what you should pay attention to is on the left hand side there's a couple of subheadings. So currently we're on contact details. If you click on addresses, you'll be able to find addresses, finance details, and then also the sales and purchases defaults. Previously, all of these were on one page, and you could just scroll down to the bottom and you would see you would find what you were looking for. So apart from this change and the way the interface looks, pretty much all the information that you could have done for each contact before are still there. You can add multiple contact people, you can add multiple numbers, addresses. The nice thing about this now is you can actually search for an address, and with the algorithms it can pick up the address based on what's in Google. Financial details are going to change, and of course the same with sales and purchase defaults. Same thing if you want to create a new contact. If you go to the contacts list, there's multiple ways to create a new contact. You could either select new contact once you're in the contacts menu, or from the plus button you can go and add a contact there. Either way, when you do that, you will see the same screen that we've just come from. Then once you're in contacts, you can also create lists. Normally in Xero, a contact could either be a customer or a supplier. It could also be both, depending on whether you assign an invoice or a bill to that specific contact. If you've got both, then the same contact could both be a customer and a supplier. And that's why when you click on those, you may find that a contact is either there or not there, or it can be in both places. You can also create groups. And creating a group, I'm going to just say test group as an example. Once you've created a group, you can then assign contacts to those groups. So let's say Bank West, you can edit it, and that one. You go into the contact and you select options, and you can simply add it to a group. And so here you can see all the groups that you may have created. Once I add it, if I now go back to my contacts and I look at my groups, you can see there's the test group, and it's only got the contact that I've got there. All right, so this is just a few tricks. There's a whole lot more you can do. There's smart lists, as you can see there. You can archive your contacts, but in essence, here are some of the things you can do with contacts. Have a nice day.